been like only 2 days since my last upload, but this is gonna be like the only decent weather. This day is gonna be like the only one with decent weather this week. So this is what we gotta do. I'm gonna move this back a bit because we're a bit of an unconventional angle with the iPad, but we're gonna keep trying. Now, we've got two of my favorite bushcraft knives here, and as I said, I don't do too much bushcraft normally, but in one corner, polymer sheath, polymer handle. It's not a full Tang, but I don't think that really matters in a knife of this size. 4116 stainless, German stainless steel, cold steel thin hawk. Also in the polymer sheath on the other side, full Tang this time, 40C28, I believe. Yeah, I think that's this type of steel. Also Scandi ground is the Garberg. This is gonna be a fun little matchup. These are two of my absolute favorite bushcraft knives. Now, I'm gonna tell you though which handle I prefer already. It's the Fin Hawk. It's softer and it just melts, and texturing and the shaping just melts to the hand way better. So, first up, we're gonna chop some light stuff, because usually you'd have an axe for this, but suppose you didn't. If you had to chop something with a knife like this, we're gonna see how well this would work. Not bad at all. Might be a bit weak, rotted, but that's fine. We're gonna just keep going because these are not chopping knives. Wow. On small stuff, these are not bad. Okay, I'm gonna need my baton here because we got some small stuff to split. Now, we're just doing like bushcraft style stuff, so we're keeping it small. Oh, reasonable. Nice. It's gonna make some nice feather sticks afterward. Next up, oh man, I love this handle. Oh man, I love this handle. Oh. Might use some fat wood to get the fire up, but for now, because it's a bit damp, but oh my god, this is making nice feathers. That is looking nice. Alright. Garberg sheath. The Garberg, I should have said, has the better sheath because it doesn't get stuck in. Almost had it. You know what? I think it's too damp for that sort of thing. So, yeah, I wish the Fin Hawk came with a better spine. That's one complaint I have. Where'd those feathers go? That was a bit of a pain in the ass. Alright, next up we're gonna do the Garberg. Okay, we used the other piece that was I think the wood is bad. We may have to redo this test. You know, we're gonna redo this test, but I'm gonna split this down a little more to get to the stuff on the inside of the wood. Yeah, we're redoing this test. That was the fault of the user. Move everything off. No fat wood, okay. Okay, see the difference? Yeah, that was my fault. So we can do this without the fat wood. Yep, we can. We got it. So it was the fault of the wood. I might need to do some touch up on the spine, but may not need the fat wood for the next one then. Okay. Just a piece of the Garberg. I'm not even worried with the Garberg. Where am I standing? I think the Finhawk is actually the better feather sticker. Yeah, Finhawk is definitely the better feather sticker. But the Garberg balances it out. I just said it balances it out. There we go. The Garberg spine is amazing. Watch. The spine on the Garberg is like no other. Like that. And I'm going to test with the Finhawk. A little worse than the Garberg. Definitely not bad. I got an idea. I'm going to try to do, since I'm not going to chop with this, I'm going to try to find a piece that, since this is a point, we're going to try to carve a tent peg. Oh man, I love this handle. Probably way thicker than you would need to carve a notch. Yeah, we're just gonna carve notches actually, not tent pegs, because this is way too big. Well, that's the notch we got. It's definitely not bad, but this is some pretty hard dead wood. Okay, we're gonna try the Garberg. I don't do much bushcraft, but I do know how to do a lot of this stuff. You can actually see them side by side. Hang on. Yeah, I think it's Finhawk might be the winner with that one. So, prices. You're going to be looking at 78 to 80 bucks for the more Garberg and stainless steel. Meanwhile, the Finhawk, you're going to be looking at 25, at most 30. So, we've gotten it it's a pretty close match here, but if I had to pick one winner, yep, it's going to be the Finhawk. It's that much cheaper. It does everything the Garberg did, even if not as well. Plus, it's so much more comfortable in the hand. Handle comfort is what really won here. We're going to do a drop test first. Haha, nice. But yeah, the overall winner of this bushcraft fight is the Cold Steel Finhawk. Hope you enjoyed this video, Thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for Halloween. It's gonna be something special.